Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a white chocolate rocky road loaf. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a small mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your butter and your golden syrup and melt the two together until they are fully melted, mixing to combine. For me this took around about a minute and a half in the microwave. It really depends on your microwave. Once you've got that ready, you can go ahead and grab yourself a large mixing bowl, the bigger the better, and just place in all of your fillings. Here are all mine, but you can use whichever you like. Set aside until you need it later on. Then take your white chocolate and pour over the butter and golden syrup mixture and allow it to sit for around a minute. Then, once it's been there for a minute, start mixing until it's smooth and glossy, a lot like this. Then combine your chocolate mixture with your fillings directly into the large bowl and just mix until everything is well coated. You can then go ahead and grab yourself a loaf, pan or tin which has been lined with some parchment paper and just pour around a third of the mixture into there, so that's the base, and just press it down and squash it down into each bit that you can. Then in the middle I like to add some more chocolates just to get even more chocolate in there, so I'm using some of these Cadbury white chocolate and these white chocolate toffee. Then just add the rest of the mixture on top, pressing it down so you get as much of that mixture in there as possible. Once you've got it as compacted as you'd like, while the mixture is still kind of tacky, you can then go ahead and place on top something to indicate a portion. So for me, I'm using these gold bars as they are white chocolate, so just place them on top, pressing them down so they stick to the melted chocolate, then place in the fridge until it's set. Once it's set, you can then go ahead and slice it up and portion it and enjoy and share with your friends and family, especially during the holiday season. So here you can see all of the bits that we added into the white chocolate rocky road. You can see the marshmallows and all the biscuits. It's a perfect tray bake and takes next to no time to make, perfect for the holiday season. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, it's the first day of Bakemas 2022. I've done this since 2016, maybe 2017, I can't quite remember. But don't forget, I will leave all the links you need in the description down below, including links to all of the previous year's Bakemases. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.